This is a brand new 2010 Ford Fusion. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a power driver's seat, solar tinted glass, cruise control, commercial-free satellite radio, a leather-wrapped shift knob, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, a low tire pressure indicator, steering wheel mounted controls, and an anti-theft protection system. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you, Richmond, for making Richmond Ford Lincoln Mercury the #1 Ford dealership in Central Virginia.
And more importantly, for recognizing us for outstanding customer service, which earned us the President's Award 4 years running.
To celebrate, we're offering 0% financing on lots of models and huge discounts on our entire lineup.
Plus, at Richmond Ford Lincoln Mercury, you get 2 years of maintenance at no additional cost.
Come shop us. You'll see it does matter where you buy.
Richmond Ford
Lincoln Mercury.
Spend less
And love your drive.